Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ginseng Serum. First, begin with a clean canvas. Thoroughly cleanse your face with a gentle, hydrating cleanser to remove any makeup, dirt, or oils. This crucial step ensures your skin is perfectly prepared to absorb all the wonderful nutrients. After cleansing, gently pat your face dry with a soft towel, leaving it just a little damp. This slight moisture helps the serum penetrate more effectively, setting the stage for maximum benefits. Now, let's move on to application. Take your ginseng serum and dispense about 2 to 3 drops onto your clean fingertips. Remember, a little goes a long way with this potent elixir. Gently pat the serum all over your face and neck, using light, upward motions. Be sure to avoid the sensitive skin around your eyes. Give the serum a moment, perhaps 1 to 2 minutes, to fully absorb into your skin before moving to the next step. After your ginseng serum has absorbed, it is time to layer. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer to seal in all the goodness and provide additional hydration. During your morning routine, always remember to apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least 30 SPF. This protects your skin from harmful UV rays, preserving the benefits of your serum. For best results, incorporate ginseng serum into your routine once or twice daily, consistently. To truly maximize your ginseng serum's benefits, here are a few extra tips. Always store your serum in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight, to preserve its active ingredients. Before applying to your entire face, consider doing a small patch test on your inner arm to check for any sensitivities. Remember, consistency is absolutely vital. Regular use over several weeks will reveal the full, radiant potential of this incredible ingredient for your skin.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.